Sparking understanding. Spark off, uncovered. Hello wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic phrases. Specifically, we'll demystify the phrase, spark off. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means, but also how to use it like a native. Spark off is an idiomatic expression that can have a couple of related meanings. 1. To cause or initiate something, especially an event, discussion, or conflict. 2. To ignite or trigger a reaction or emotion. Imagine a spark causing a flame in a fireplace. Just as that small spark can lead to a bigger fire, the phrase, spark off, symbolizes a starting point that leads to a larger event or reaction. Let's see how spark off is used in sentences. 1. The controversial statement he made sparked off a heated debate in the community. 2. Her sudden laughter sparked off a chain of giggles in the classroom. 3. The news about the merger sparked off rumors and speculations among the employees. Notice how, in each example, a small event or action, like a controversial statement or sudden laughter, leads to a larger reaction, like a debate or giggles. It's mostly used in a figurative sense. While spark can relate to actual fires, spark off as a phrase is typically used in non-literal contexts. Pair it with dynamic events. It works best when describing actions or events that lead to noticeable reactions or consequences. Watch your prepositions. Ensure you use off after spark for this particular meaning. There are other phrases like spark up or just spark, but they might have different nuances. And there you have it. You now know what spark off means, how to use it in sentences, and some handy tips for its usage. English is filled with such colorful idioms, and understanding them will surely spark off an even greater appreciation for the language. Hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, happy learning!